Application Architect Interview Practice Questions. Set 4. Question 1. What is the role of an API gateway in microservices? A. Handling user authentication. B. Routing requests to appropriate services. C. Providing data storage. D. Processing business logic. The correct answer is B. Routing requests to appropriate services. API gateways route requests to the correct microservices based on the URL. Question 2. What is a key feature of cloud-native applications? A. Monolithic architecture. B. Tightly coupled components. C. Loose coupling with services. D. Single physical server hosting. The correct answer is C. Loose coupling with services. Cloud-native apps are designed to be loosely coupled and scalable. Question 3. What is the primary focus of an application architect? A. Implementation of features. B. Defining high-level system architecture. C. Database schema design. D. Managing code repositories. The correct answer is B. Defining high-level system architecture. An application architect focuses on defining the application's system architecture. Question 4. Which of the following is a non-relational database? A. PostgreSQL. B. MySQL. C. MongoDB. D. SQLite. The correct answer is C. MongoDB. MongoDB is a widely used NoSQL, non-relational database. Question 5. Which design pattern is often used for creating new instances of objects? A. Singleton. B. Factory. C. Observer. D. Adapter. The correct answer is B. Factory. Factory pattern is used to create objects based on conditions. Question 6. What is the key advantage of using a content delivery network? A. Higher server costs. B. Reduced latency and faster content delivery. C. Increased server load. D. Limited scalability. The correct answer is B. Reduced latency and faster content delivery. CDNs cache content at locations closer to the user to reduce latency. Question 7. Which approach best describes microservices architecture? A. Single monolithic application. B. Small, independent services deployed separately. C. Interdependent services in a single server. D. Single database for all services. The correct answer is B. Small, independent services deployed separately. Microservices consist of independent, loosely coupled services deployed individually. Question 8. Which of the following is most associated with high availability? A. Load balancing. B. Single server deployment. C. Vertical scaling. D. Stateful systems. The correct answer is A. Load balancing. Load balancing distributes traffic to ensure high availability and reliability. Question 9. Which of the following technologies is used for automating cloud infrastructure? A. Kubernetes. B. Terraform. C. Docker. D. Jenkins. The correct answer is B. Terraform. Terraform automates the provisioning and management of cloud infrastructure. Question 10. What does the term scalability refer to in system design? A. The ability to handle more users. B. The ability to scale up or down based on demand. C. The ability to store large amounts of data. D. The ability to integrate with legacy systems. The correct answer is B. The ability to scale up or down based on demand. Scalability allows a system to handle varying loads efficiently. Question 11. What is the primary function of a load balancer? A. Encrypt data between services. B. Distribute network traffic across multiple servers. C. Store user data. D. Cache static content. The correct answer is B. Distribute network traffic across multiple servers. A load balancer ensures traffic is evenly distributed across servers. Question 12. Which of these is a fundamental principle of solid design? A. Separation of concerns. B. Single responsibility principle. C. Encapsulation. D. Polymorphism. The correct answer is B. Single responsibility principle. The single responsibility principle states that a class should have one reason to change. Question 13. Which tool is widely used for continuous integration? A. Docker. B. Jenkins. C. Nagios. D. Kubernetes. The correct answer is B. Jenkins. Jenkins is a popular open-source tool for automating C pipelines. Question 14. What is a major benefit of using containers in application deployment? A. Scalability. B. Increased portability across environments. C. Better security. D. Simplified development environment. The correct answer is B. Increased portability across environments. Containers ensure applications run consistently across different environments. Question 15. Which of these is a common drawback of a monolithic architecture? A. Difficulty in scaling parts of the application. B. Easier to deploy multiple versions of services. C. Loose coupling of services. D. Higher performance in data processing. The correct answer is A. Difficulty in scaling parts of the application. Monolithic applications make it hard to scale individual components independently. Question 16. Which of the following is most associated with vertical scaling? A. Adding more server instances. B. Increasing resources of a single server. C. Distributing load across multiple servers. D. Using serverless functions. The correct answer is B. Increasing resources of a single server. Vertical scaling increases a server's capacity by adding more resources. Question 17. Which of these is most associated with service-oriented architecture? A. Single monolithic service. B. Multiple, independent services communicating over a network. C. A centralized database. D. User interface-centric applications. The correct answer is B. Multiple, independent services communicating over a network. SOA involves independent services that communicate over a network, often using web services. Question 18. What is the purpose of sharding in database architecture? A. Data encryption. B. Data partitioning across multiple servers. C. Compressing database tables. D. Indexing database entries. The correct answer is B. Data partitioning across multiple servers. Sharding splits data into smaller, manageable chunks across multiple servers. Question 19. Which of the following is often used for API versioning? A. File-based versioning. B. URL path versioning. C. IP-based versioning. D. Encryption-based versioning. The correct answer is B. URL path versioning. API versioning is commonly done through URL paths. Question 20. What is the purpose of a circuit breaker pattern? A. To prevent excessive retries on failed services. B. To increase system availability during heavy load. C. To optimize database queries. D. To handle authentication. The correct answer is A. To prevent excessive retries on failed services. Circuit breakers prevent systems from retrying failed calls too many times, avoiding system overload.